Hey, Christian here with PowerScreen and Shade in San Diego. I want to show you one of my favorite projects we've done. This incredible home out in Alpine. With a sunken outdoor living room, a full outdoor kitchen, and a pool with a swim-up bar. I mean, this space was already stunning before we got here. But stunning doesn't mean comfortable. Not when the bugs find your grill before your guests do. The homeowners wanted to actually use this space the way it was designed to be used. Private, cool, bug-free. So we wrapped the whole area in our PowerScreens, right up to the swim-up bar. And just like that, this backyard went from a beautiful idea to a room they live in every single day. The shade alone changed everything. With our solar mesh blocking up to 95% of the heat and UV, that outdoor kitchen finally feels like a place you want to cook, not a place you're trying to escape from. And when the screens come down, nobody's looking in. You get full daytime privacy while you're still enjoying the view out. No flapping, no gaps, no billowing in the wind. It's closer to a window than a curtain. And with a 20-year warranty on the fabric and the motor, this isn't something you're replacing in a few years. If you've got an outdoor space that's begging to be used more, give us a call at 858-544-5259. Come see these screens in person at our showroom at 2121 Enterprise Street in Escondido. We'd love to show you what's possible.